Everyone, welcome back to the channel, Alan's Venture, and hope you all are doing great. By the way, today I'm gonna welcome you to in my special vlog. Why it is special? Because it is 25th of December, and it's Christmas Day. So we think to explore the church. We think to explore how the Christian people celebrate the day. And we have reached at the Kashmiri Gate, and here is a church which is it is believed that this is the oldest church in Delhi. So we have reached here, and we would try to explore how the Christian people come, how they worship, and how the day is celebrated in India. And we have lot of things to explore here, and let's have a look. And I'm really excited to know because this is the first time I have visited here, and I also want to experience how the day is gonna. So this is gonna be the special one. Yes, I have reached inside the church, and I can see the people are coming here to do worship, and they are taking pictures. And the church is fully decorated with the Christmas trees and with the flowers, and there are many more. So this is gonna be the one of the great experience for me. And here, usually people come and do worship, and we can see there are some books. Okay, this is the book here I can see, and this is the book of worship when the people come here and they just read the worship. And every seat you can see there are a lot of books. These are the worship books, and this is a bucket of flower. So we can have a look. It is fully decorated, and people are coming here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding.
And this is the place where pastor come and recite the worship. Usually this is the restricted area. No one can enter inside. It is considered as the pious place, so the pastor would not allow you to go inside.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy.
This is my gift to Jesus this year. This is something like that. You can just write down your wishes, you can write down your desires, and just drop it into the envelope, and drop into the box. Here's the box where you can just drop it. So it means you just want to, reach your wishes through the Jesus Christ. So this is the way usually people fulfill their desires, this expectation, what they want from Jesus Christ. They usually come here and write down and just drop into the drop box. So it means they just this is the way to discuss with the Jesus Christ. And Christian people believe that their desires and their sentiments, their hopes are fulfilled by Jesus Christ this way. let's have a look over the history about St. James Church. Especially, it was constructed in 1831, and it was a place where British usually come. They used to do their weddings. They used to gather and they used to celebrate all together. So it was a hub where they socially gathered. 26th of December. This is the Christmas day, and the Christian people observe this day as a birth of Jesus Christ. They believe that Jesus Christ took birth on 25th of December. So this is the huge moment and huge day for Christianity, especially. And what inside, actually, there are people are doing worship. So it's as if you are shooting a video, if you are doing anything. So it's create the disturbance for them. So that's why I didn't shoot inside. And this is the small graveyard from the backside of this church, and there are just few graves we can see. The cemeteries are there. Finally, we have completed our vlog. To be very honest, there are many restrictions. The guards are not allow anyone to shoot vlogs and taking pictures. You cannot do such things here. But secretly, I have shot many videos inside, and finally we have completed it. And let's see how you are gonna love it, because it was very difficult to shoot vlog inside. And then at the end, Merry Christmas, all of you. And till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and we are gonna shortly meet you in our next vlog. Keep supporting and keep subscribing.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.